If you're looking for a loft bed that is easy to make, check this out. I got it for my son. He's 5 feet tall and 100 pounds. I assembled this bed by myself in about an hour. The instructions are very clear. I love that it is not too tall, so I can reach perfectly to make the bed without having to use the steps. The wood quality is great, and the white finish is beautiful. I like that you can place the ladder and the slide on either side to fit your own room setup. The slide holds my son well, but he's over it at his age. However, he still wanted it on. The ladder and the whole bed feel very sturdy and stable. The space underneath it is perfect, and my son likes sitting under the bed with his friends, looking at books or playing with toys. The guardrails are a wonderful feature. The wooden slats are thick and strong, and nothing creaks nor wobbles at all. So far, it's been a great addition to his room. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.